We have another equation. The very first thing, you're supposed to look at the logarithms. As you noticed, we have the sum of two logarithms with the same base. What we're supposed to do over here? We're supposed to apply the property for the logarithm of the product and rewrite the sum of these two logarithms as log, open parenthesis, 4x times x minus 2 is equal 0. Next, because negative 2, right, has no logarithm, I'm going to move it to the right side of my equation. And I have log 4x times x is 4x squared, which is equal negative 2 we moved to the right side, then this is going to be 2. Next, please keep in mind that we have base 10 over here. You can convert the logarithmic form to the exponential form and simply write that this is 10 to the second power is equal 4x squared. Next, we're supposed to divide both sides equation by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out, and I'm going to have x squared equals 100 divided by 4. X squared is equal 100 divided by 4 is equal 25. I can rewrite this as x equals plus minus square root of 25. My x is equal plus minus 5. I got two answers, positive 5 and negative 5. Please notice that x, the domain of the logarithm, has to be always greater than 0. That's why we are not going to consider the negative answer. And the final solution is x equals 5.